Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. I hope that you are well. In the previous video, I have started the concept of streams in Java 1.8. So remember, streams is to process object inside collection. Okay? Now I will start to make an operation with streams to understand step by step how to use them. So the first example is I have simple list of integer that contain, I don't know, 5 or 10 elements from 0 to 10. Okay? There are even numbers or the other numbers. Here I want to retrieve only even numbers. Okay, I want to filter my list to get only even numbers. So now I will create an example without using streams. After this I will use streams and you will see the difference. Okay? So without streams until version of Java 1.7, I will create a new list. Okay, to put all new this new numbers, all these numbers. So a list of integer L2 equal new array list of integer. I will make for loop. For integer e to point L1, curly brackets. If e is divided by 2, what we do, I will make L2 dot added e, this one. Okay? I will close the for loop and also the check of if. And I will print my list system.println list 2. So if I have, for example, numbers from 0 to 7, what I will got in my L2, I got 0, 2, 4, and 6. Okay? Now I will make the same example, but with streams, and here you will see the difference between them. But don't worry about what I will put. Okay? I will explain this. So I have my list 2. So L2 equal here L1 dot stream method. Okay? After this, what I want to do? I want to filter to retrieve only some object that respects some condition. So I want to filter. So here what I will do, after streams dot filter method. And filter method, I will give him the lambda expression. Do you see lambda expression will follow us until this we finish the course. In the filter method, I will put the condition. Okay? So this is a condition. Lambda expression is e, simple arrow, e divided by 2 equals 0 or no. Okay? I will close my filter. After this, what I will do? I will collect all this data, all this object. Okay, I have to filter them, to get them in my list. I will collect them. I will collect them. How to collect them? Like this, dot collect. Okay? And inside the method collect, I will use collectors dot to list. So I will collect them to the list. Okay? Do you see? Yeah, there is a lot of things here. You have use stream, you have use filter, collector. No, don't worry, you will be familiar with them when you practice, inshallah. Okay? So I will try to talk about each one, what I have put here. So I have used stream for my collection to filter some data. Okay? To retrieve them in new list. Okay? To achieve this, I have used the filter method. And the filter method contains a condition, a lambda expression. Okay, to check this condition. Okay? After this, after you have made the filter, how to retrieve this value? You just filter now. You just only filter, make check, 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 if, but how to retrieve them? Okay? To retrieve them, this object, or this value, you will use the method collect. You will collect them. Okay? You will collect them, and inside the collect there is where you want to collect them. You collect them to the list. So we will use collectors to list method. Okay? Do you see the difference between them? The previous example without stream and the second with stream, we have all this statement until Java 1.7, and in just one statement we have make the result. Okay, of course you can make system.println for L2. Okay, now I will go to the computer to see this example, how it works, and of course to check the result if it is correct or no. Okay, always you must check, and always I make simple example. If I make complex, what is the goals for you? Never, no. Understand the concept the first time. After this, implement what you want. Okay, but just understand the concept. Okay, so let's go to the computer to run this program, and I will come back to continue the video. Let's go.
So I have created my list 1. I have added some element, and I will print my list. Okay, so let's run program to see our list. We'll continue. Good, that is our list from 0 to 7. Now I will create the list 2 to filter only even numbers. So let's go list 2, and here I will use the stream method. So it is like this: list 1 dot stream dot filter, and here I will give him e simple arrow e divided by 2 equal 0. Okay, dot collect, and here I will use collectors dot to list. Okay, now I will make system.println, same thing, list after filter with list 2. Let's check if we got only the even numbers or no. Let's go. I can let this one or what you want. Let's come on this one and run again. Do you see? 0, 2, 4, 6. It works perfectly.
Now, in the second example, what I want to do, I want to make some operation in each element of my list. I repeat, each element. I don't want to filter. Okay? So in my new list, I want to get all these elements. If I have 5 elements, I will get 5. With some operation, of course. Okay? In other way, I will map all the value of the list. Okay? In some new value. For example, I want to add 10 for each element of my list. So make a simple example. Huh? It's very, very simple example. So if I want to do this without stream, I have my list 1 from 0 to 7. And this I will create my new list, list of integer. I will make for loop for integer e of list 1, and I will do list 2 dot added e plus 10. Okay, I will close curly brackets, and I will make system.println of list 2. So we got the previous list with each element, and we added 10. This new value 10. Now if I want to make this with stream, how to do this? Here I don't want to filter, remember, I want to get all the elements. So list 2 will be like this. List 2 equal list 1 dot stream dot map, map, for retrieving all the value. All, repeat all, okay? Map, I will use the map method here. And inside the map, I will make the operation that I want to do, okay? In lambda expression, of course. So, here, I will make E, simple arrow, E plus 10, okay? I will close the method map. After this, the same thing. I collect all this value, what I have to do as on operation, where I want to put this value, how to retrieve them. I will use collect, the same like the previous. Dot collect, in parentheses, collectors dot to list. Okay? And I make, of course, system.println for the list too. So here, I have used map method to get all the value in new list. If I have 1000, I got 1000. If I have 2, I got 2. Okay? I must got all of them. Not making some change, of course. Okay? So, map is for getting all the value of our list to the new list. Okay? So let's execute this program in the computer to see the result, and we'll continue inshallah for some new thing. Let's go.
So in this example, I will use map, not filter. So here, I'll just comment this code. So here what I will do, of course, this one I did it, I don't filter. So here list 2 equal list 1, okay, dot stream dot map, remember map. For this we specify my lambda expression. So E, simple arrow, E plus 10, okay, dot collect, and here's collectors to list. I want to collect all my value to list, okay, and now I will print my list 2 to see what we got, and here of course not after filter but after mapping. Let's see what we got. Let's clear this previous one and run the program. You see I have 10, 11 until 17. It's very easy. So I have used the map to get all the value, and I have making my lambda expression, so operation that I want inside the map, and they collect the value with collect method.
So we have seen how to use map method in the stream. And in next video I will talk about difference in detail between filter and map method. Okay? So see you inshallah in next video to enter more detail about this, to understand very well this two method. And at this moment, take care of us, share this video, like it, subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.